And hey guys, I want you guys to meet my husband to be. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So right now I'm in Linstead to come get my hair done. I'm supposed to get fox locks, and I called the girl from yesterday and I confirm everything or whatever. She said me for come 7 o'clock. Me come 7 o'clock. We a call her, shop block her or whatever. She not answer. Just going straight to voicemail or whatever. At almost 8 o'clock now, and then we just get there and she said to get her 10 minutes. I don't understand why Jamaican girls would do here don't want to like work we make our money or whatever. As they get them little Christmas money, they just stop and what. They don't want to work again. But hopefully she come and she can do me here good and be done by evening time, because I want to go to a party later on this evening. So yeah, I'm just here waiting on her. Yeah. Hi guys, so from the last time you guys saw me, I was getting my hair done and I haven't vlogged since then. So anyways, my hair was done. It finished at 12 o'clock at night or whatever, and I started like at 9 o'clock in the morning. So that was like what, 14 hours or so. I know we're at Duns River now, about to go swim and climb the rocks and stuff, and here we all are. Yay. Make sure to like. Good morning guys. So right now I'm at the river because water done and a water guy now come for right now. You know, we want bathe to go make some move. So we're just coming around the river to go bathe and wash with clothes and stuff. It's cold?
Yes, it's very cold. You can't come in here in the morning.
No? So I'm about to bathe and, you know, brush my teeth and stuff and wash out some little clothes. And yeah, I do right now. So it's New Year's Eve, right? Yeah, New Year's Eve or whatever. And like I got up, you know, put on my makeup, I like got ready and everything to go on my local party or whatever. Do not type me in the comments. Yes, I know it's Corona, COVID, we're all supposed to be quarantined, but at the same time, you know, I'm in Jamaica, so like I want to have like a little fun or whatever before I go back up in the cold. But anyways, a joke. Before I even reached the party, I'm probably like 5 minutes away. Boom, I get a text saying, yo, party lock off or whatever. So I had to turn back around. And when we turn back around, we see 5 big Jeep truck full of police and soldier with gun at them waist and sitting there. So boy, Corona just smash up everybody, like local fun or whatever. But it's like 11:40 now, and the new year soon approach. So I just want to wish you guys a very happy new year, a very prosperous new year. And yeah, I'm about to like take off my makeup and go shower now and probably drink or something, because there's really nothing else to do. Morning guys, happy new year's, although I said that in the last clip or whatever. So right now we're about to cook, you know, a little bit of food, some curry goat, some brown stew chicken, some manish water, you know, nothing big or whatsoever. And yeah, my aunt about to go sit on the curry goat now, and she's here about to beat up some garlic to put in the rice and peas. Yeah, put them and in a curry. So yeah, we're there in the kitchen. I'm going to cook, and now I'm about to bring the aisle outside to put in a pot for goat, because we are cooking goat outside and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, boy.
You know me get it. Not really too long for these, man. Like, I get to where I sit in the car.
Yeah.
I'm the bag out.
Alright, so we're going to put in the goat in a pot. And we still have a lot. I know, it don't look hot.
I'm cooling on it as a kid before we can work to it. You understand cool fire?
So, I like go take off in a pot?
You can't find fire, man. You go and find it. You don't go and fire.
The curry pretty though. So she make a manage wash and go. She has seasoned it. Moon, tell the people them what you do. What's up, guys? So I just left the supermarket or whatever. I buy some stuff because I'm cooking tomorrow. I cook some oxtail with some butter bean. Yep. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm driving right now, but I'm on my way to St. Thomas to the mineral bath, you know, with the hot water to get some beating, you know, and heal my body. And it's about a 3 hour and a half drive for which part me there. So I'm about to take this journey now. Me get well comfortable in my car. You see it. Yeah. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys on my way there and when I get there and show you guys around. Rum.
Huh?
Campari. Alright guys, when we reach Bat Mountain and we have to walk up this steep hill to reach. And look, like this. They could make up here a little bit more. Sitting there. I'm wearing my Duns River shoes, so it's easier for me to walk. Yeah. And I'm out of breath already. Alright guys, so I just came out of the hot water bath and like I didn't vlog it because like I just wanted to like enjoy the experience and get like the full, you know, the full experience or whatnot. And man, they rubbed me with some oil. They rubbed me with some oil and maybe this is like with pimenta seed, eucalyptus oil, and a whole bunch of other herbs, natural herbs and stuff, and like they rubbed it all over my body and beat me all over, and then they threw the hot water on me and it felt so good. They got hot rocks and rolled all over my body. It felt so nice. Like I would definitely do it again. But catch this now. You know, Jamaica people hungry and stuff. They say usually I $8,000 for one person. For them massage and sitting there. And Carla said they only spent like 20 minutes with us or whatever. $8,000.
Yeah, light, you don't
and my money done from me come first week or whatever. Yeah, I did not pay the $8,000, but me still getting my thing, you know, a drink or whatever. But no, Jamaica people always I try to rip off people because I don't think they $8,000 worth it at all. That's too dear.
Me ever get in my life.
Well, yeah. No, it was good. So if you didn't have $8,000, I still pay $8,000.
What's $8,000? Like what? How much in the US?
It's a freaking ripoff, but whatever. I enjoyed it. I would come back again. I definitely will. My body needed it. Although I'm in a sicky or whatever, but it felt good, you know. So yeah, I'm on my way. I'm gonna go home now, prepare for this long journey, 3 hours and a half. I'm gonna be knocked out, and yeah. Alright guys, so we just have one little road style. I mean, I eat some.
How much you get already? What?
How much you money?
It's sweet.
How much? You can't mix that in there?
Sweet.
How much money you get them with?
I'm mad because we can't get the Guinness, but it can now. Hi guys, so today's Sunday and I'm going to be cooking Sunday dinner, and today's menu is oxtail and rice and peas, or rice and gungo to be exact. So I just liked my gungo, so it's just gonna boil up. I put a little bit of salt and some garlic in there, so this is gonna go and boil up until it gets soft and tender. And my oxtail, I seasoned last night. See it there? Nice and well seasoned, smells good. Guys, everything in Jamaica dear, alright? So oxtail is like $900 a pound. I got it for me. Buy 4 pounds of oxtail for $3,600, and this don't look like what I'm used to like cooking or whatever, but you see, it's just me and like a few like other people, so like that's more than enough. And then my aunt, I'm gonna make some sliced fish, but me no business with that because we don't like fish. So yeah, I'm about to put my my oxtail on the stove to go on like brown down first, you know, and get that with fat and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna like show you guys a little process of me cooking, because you know that's all I'm gonna be doing today, is just cooking today, and that's it. On gas stove now, guys, I can't light it, so I'm gonna take one piece of paper and light from this and put there, because I can't light matches to save my life. So when the oxtail are brown down now, I'll come back and show you guys. Alright guys, so I just put my oxtail in a pan to go and brown down. Just went in there to brown down. And the gungo peas are boil up. And now I'm gonna use these carrots and go and grater them. I'm gonna make some carrot juice, cause you know it's Sunday, and you know when man I eat, they want their nice, you know, their nice drinks with them good food. So yeah, I'm gonna make some carrot juice now. So I'm gonna grate scrape off it carrots and then cut it up and blend it up and stuff and mix drinks.
Because I think that usually just.
So right now I'm blending the carrots, and I put a little bit of water with some carrots, and I'm blending it. Oh, like a good blender. Right now. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna strain it. And press out all that juice then. You know, some people re-blend back your trash, but I don't. You re-blend back your trash? Huh? Yeah? You re-blend it back? No. Alright guys, so the carrot juice done blend up. I know I'm about to pour this and get the juice from it. Hi guys, so okay, the last time you guys saw me vlog is when I was making my oxtail, and I didn't even like show the finished product of it because like, yeah, whatever, you know how that goes. And that was like 2 days ago. Anyways, today's January 6th and I leave tomorrow. Yo, my Jamaica trip just like went by so quick. Like these 3 weeks came in like 3 days or 3 hours. Like honestly, like it really flew by. But I have to get back to reality and go back home in the cold. So right now I'm just here packing up my suitcase and stuff. I grabbed a couple of things. So right now me have Magnum. We're gonna wrap up and buy some stuff and all this. So now I'm just what you call it, I'm about to pack those up now, and then when I'm done I'm gonna make some rice and curry chicken, because yesterday me wake up I feel for some curry, so we get chicken. I'm gonna curry it, so I'm gonna cook it a little bit later when I'm finished. And hey guys, I want you guys to meet my husband to be. His name is Samora, but we call him Shanky. This man go on YouTube, you know. Alright guys, so today's my final day. I'm leaving Jamaica and I just stopped at KFC right before the airport to get my final wings, you know. Yeah. So I'm about to eat this now and then go up to the airport. My flight's at 2 o'clock and it's like 11:30 right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat, go to the airport, check in, and yeah. Alright guys, so we at the airport and we are overweight and stuff. 50. It ain't nothing in this suitcase.
So I still have to pay overweight all the ticket,
Yes, you still have to pay overweight.
Yes, still have to pay
And you pay overweight, come down too.
I'm paying overweight, come down.
Guys, So the 2 suitcases here, this did 3 pounds overweight and this was like 28 pounds overweight. True me just put the damn sitting for my little credit card and pay for your overweight. Me did plan to pay for your overweight, so that's how you go. When you want to bring Jamaica last sorry. But mostly my mom, because she want about me bring like dozen Magnum Maroon and stuff and you know. So yeah, we just here getting the luggage and sorted out before we reach the actual ticket counter. So we're just at ease and we know what we're paying for and you know. So yeah, when I reach the gate, I'll talk back to you guys. Our luggage here.
Give my more titty.
I made it home safe.
We did. Hello.
In one piece.
I'm sad. I want to go back.
Me too.
You want to camp and do too?